So next we will install the forms. So you can download it from Oracle website. I have already downloaded that. Before that we have another thing that need to install, that is Visual C runtime. So there are so many all-in-one edition. So on the release date, till the release date, I have downloaded all the versions in one file. You can find it very easily on internet. So it will auto install all the packages. All the required packages will install automatically. I basically installing all the versions because there must be no issue after the installation is done. So since 2005 to 2019 I'm installing all the versions. Okay, done. So let's move on. Forms and reports. This extraction is depend upon your available resources. So as much as the resources you have, it will speed up the process. It will check all the prerequisites. Okay, fast. Creating our log file. So in case any error, we can read that. Okay, next, skip auto update. So the location of Oracle home is obviously our middleware home. So we are choosing a forms and report for deployment. So JDK home, as you already seen in my previous videos, that I have defined at C location. So it's C Java. So this will be our JDK home. Now it's checking all the prerequisites, and here is it's also checking Microsoft Visual C++. I basically install all the versions because sometimes it creates an issue even after installation. So this installation will take some time. Uh, let's meet on next video with our repository creation.